Hey guys, my name is Darnita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for rocking with your girl. And if you are new, if this is your first time here, let me know in the comments below how you guys found me. I love to hear those stories and those moments, and thank you for coming here. On this channel I do clothing hauls, black love, some travel vlogs, and of course wig reviews. So make sure you guys check me out and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you guys soon. So today I'm rocking Sensationnel's Curls, Kinks, and Co. It's the True Diva, and I have reviewed a couple of their units on my channel, so there is a playlist if you want to check some of that out. And this is what the card looks like, and it does come in some specialty colors. Shout out to Ebonyine for kindly sending me this unit. It ranges on their website for about $29. There is a $3 upcharge for specialty colors, so the link to all this information will be listed below. So I had requested this unit prior to me seeing a couple of other people's reviews. I saw my girl Miss Chrissy. I really liked how she laid the hair down. Like, she did something really different with it, so her video is listed below. And I saw my girl Carrie, who did not like it. For some reason her unit was just giving me like Chucky, some Child's Play vibes. I don't know what, maybe it was I don't know what was going on, but she didn't like it. But she did a really amazing view, so her link to that will be listed below. Make sure you go give her some watch time. And yeah, I don't know how I feel about this unit. It's very mature. Like, I feel, how much you want to bet that I'm gonna FaceTime my mom and she's gonna say she wants this unit? Let's see. Call my mom. Hello.
You look cute, need a girl. What you doing?
Filming.
That's cute. I like that. I look like you belong on an what is that called? Newscaster.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
I feel like it's really mature.
Yep. That's what it is. Real mature.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna keep it.
Give it to me. Yeah, give it to me when you come.
Oh, did my phone die? Wow, my phone died. But as you guys heard, she wants it. So yeah, I know my mom. I knew she would want this. I think, you know, I'm gonna pass it along to her. But it's cute. It's just very mature. It, like she said, it is giving me newscaster vibes. It's giving me like black educated vibes. Like, I don't feel like this shirt is appropriate for this hair. Like, I should be at one of my AKA conferences with this hairstyle. So yeah, Okay, now my phone's turned back on. This thing is so weird. Anyway, it does have 2 combs in the front right here, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. I do feel like the cap size is more on the medium spectrum. You will have to tug and play with it a little bit. I just feel like I don't know. It just seemed like it was a really small wig overall when I took it out the package. So I would say it is more on the medium spectrum. You will have to stretch it and tug it a little bit. As you guys saw earlier, I used my lace tint spray and I just sprayed like from a distance because I'm still new at this. In my last wet lace video, I will post a photo right here, but I sprayed too much tint on there and I had to go in with a baby wipe and wipe it off. So excuse me. So you know, I sprayed at a little distance so it wouldn't get too crazy, and I like it. I like the way it turned out. I didn't like glue down the edges or anything. It's not really a lace front, it's just a lace part. So this part is a little tough right here, and same for here around. So just keep that in mind if your hair is blowing in the wind, child. This unit does come with some baby hairs and a deep curved part. That's what it looks like. I went in with my MAC press powder and a little brush to just define the part. It's a quick plop and go. So that's a good thing. I didn't have to do anything to it. I just pulled the lace all the way to the edge of my edges and I didn't really bring anything out. It didn't do anything. So that's a plus. It's easy. There's very, very minimal shedding. Not too much. Yeah, just a little. I wouldn't say no tangling. You know, it's a short hair. Short hair units tend to not tangle, which is very, very good. So there's some longevity. So, you know, you can plot and go this unit as many times as you want. I really do like the texture of this hair. It's similar to like a blowout for textured hair. And this is how it's looking. So I do really, really like the Curls Kinks & Co collection. They do cater to like the natural hair type of looks, which is like really nice. So I want to talk about my girl Deanna Monet and her cute little jewelry line. This is what I ordered. And it's so cute. It doesn't go with the outfit, but I wanted to talk about it on camera. It is called Monet Dior Couture, and this is what the card looks like. And yeah, I have been eyeballing this butterfly necklace. It's so cute. It comes with 2 necklaces actually, like a little chain and the little butterfly pendant one, and you can just wear them together. It's so cute. And it comes in this cute little bag, so I cannot wait to wear this, girl. I will be wearing this on my trip at the end of the month, so stay tuned for that video. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. You guys, I don't know, I'm just feeling like very, very happy right now. So peace and blessings to you. I hope you guys are still staying safe. It still is COVID. I hope you guys are wearing a mask and staying safe, and you know, just, you know, being responsible. Even if you feel like for yourself that you're okay, you should still protect the people around you. You know, older people are at a higher risk, younger kids are at a higher risk. Just protect the people around you at least, you know, just, you know. But yeah, I hope everyone has a great week, and I will see you guys next time.